Hi everyone, welcome back. In this Python video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can select or fetch the data from the mysql db table. And if you don't know how we can just start to connect and what we have to do for the connect, then you can watch our previous video for that. The link is given in the description box also. Alright, so first of all, I want to show you that, I want to tell that how many steps we need to do for fetch the data. Alright, so first of all we have to import the mysql connector, then we have to pass the credentials like the username, password and the db name. After that we will select the data and we use the fetch function to fetch the data. Alright, so now let's start the code. So this is our command prompt, so I'm going to start open it from the very scratch. Alright, so just right here, first of all we have to go in the directory or folder. Then this is the this is my folder name. Alright, and just I can just start with the Python 3.7, which is my version of the Python, and just type the file name, and here you can see that we are able to get this print data. Alright, so first of all I'm just removing this and just typing the import mysql dot connector, and after that just taking the variable with the my db name, and here I'm going to start the mysql dot connector dot connect. Alright, and in this we have to pass the 4 parameters. First is the host, and my host is the local host. And let's check the credential with the this path. So here you can see that this is my local host, and here you can see that this is my database name user, and this is my table name. Alright, so now I have to pass the second parameter with the user, and my username is root. Alright, and third one is the password. So for the password we have to just careful, just you need to pass wd. Alright, and this password is, in my case the password is redhat@123. in your case it could be blank also. Alright, and the database, the fourth one is user. Alright, so here you can cross check here. Okay, and after that just take the variable name with the my cursor. Alright, and just take the my db dot cursor, and this is the function. Alright, now we have to just execute the query, which is the my cursor dot execute, and here you can simply write your query just like select star from table name, and my table name is users. Alright, and now after all just you can take one more variable, which is the result, and in the result you can simply take the my cursor dot fetch all. This is also function, and just simply print result. Okay, and just open the command prompt, and you can see that we got the two data. One is the, here you can see that id and the name, all these things are here, and you can check the cross thing, you can cross check here. We got the data. Okay, so but if you want to get this is the kind of dump, or you can say that the print r in the php, but if you just want to use the for loop, then you can just use the for, and you can take the I in result, and with the colon you can just simply write here print I. Okay, and just try to run it here, then you will see that you got the result in the 2 line. Alright, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any kind of confusion then you can ask me in the comment box, and if you have any kind of suggestion then you can also give me suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.